Okay, so we're gonna put this corkboard on the wall. The corkboard here, over here, has these hooks that go into the wall. So this is going to have to get attached to the wall using anchors and screws, like here. And it's gonna go in like this. And then it's attached to the wall, then it's gonna hook in and under to make sure that we have the right alignment and that it fits, because we've got that long chair rail bumper at the bottom. So from the bottom of the board to the center of the hole is 22.5 inches. And what I'm gonna do is give myself a 1/4 inch higher from the bottom, so it's gonna be 22.75, so it rests up from the lip of the chair rail. And these are going to be about 4 inches from the edge, from each edge, about 4 inches. So center to center on the width is going to be 28 inches. So 22.75. Okay, so we're gonna go 22.75 of an inch from this chair rail, which puts us right right there. Drop a chicken's foot or crow's foot right there. That's 22.75. And now we're going to come 28 inches out from that, which is going to be right here. And I'm not going to put a crow's foot, but more or less a vertical mark, because from this crow's foot right here, I need to make sure I'm horizontal. Oh, hey, 28 inches. Center is 29 right here. I'm making sure that the bubble is in the center of the level. And actually, my other mark is going to be right here. 29. So crow's foot right there. Another crow's foot right there. Okay, so I've got the crow's foot up there, and now I'm just gonna put my 3/16 drill bit in straight through. I'm using a 3/16 drill bit because that is what's specified for the wall anchors, which are right here. So each wall anchor will have a specific size of drill bit that you have to use. So you gotta be careful to use the adequate one. So 3/16 and put the other one over here. The other hole, oh, and it's very important to put a straight hole in that is perpendicular to the wall and not waller it. Okay, so we got the hole, got our little mallet, and it's going to gently drive that wall anchor in. One. And we're going to drive the second wall anchor in. So the thing is, when you hit it, you want it to be a nice flat hit. You don't want it to be crooked like this, because you'll wind up bending the nail or whatever you're hitting, or like this, or like that, or like that. Flat. Nice flat hit will drive it. A deadbolt hammer is really good. It gives you a nice, smooth power delivery. Okay, so we're going to put the bracket on with the screw and just put it in, screw it into the anchor in the wall. cork board. Cork side closes. It goes in, slides, and bam, look at that. Perfect fit. It rests into place. Good job. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share.